In this final lesson, we'll discuss how to leverage ChatGPT to keep your video membership course up to date and relevant, as well as expand your course offerings to cater to a broader audience. By utilizing ChatGPT's capabilities, you can ensure your content remains fresh and engaging, fostering subscriber loyalty and attracting new learners. Leveraging ChatGPT to stay up to date with industry trends and developments. In a constantly evolving landscape, it's essential to keep your course content current and in line with the latest industry trends and developments. Use ChatGPT to research new information, tools, and best practices, integrating these updates into your existing course material. This not only demonstrates your commitment to providing value to your subscribers but also ensures that your content remains relevant and engaging. Updating and expanding course content using ChatGPT-generated insights. As you gather new information and insights, leverage ChatGPT to update your course content and create new lessons or modules. This process of continuous improvement and expansion allows you to cater to the evolving needs of your audience, ensuring they receive the most up-to-date and comprehensive learning experience. Creating new video courses and scaling your membership site with ChatGPT assistance. With ChatGPT support, you can efficiently develop new video courses to expand your membership site offerings. This allows you to cater to a broader audience, increase your revenue potential, and position yourself as an industry expert. Use ChatGPT to generate course outlines, scripts, and supplementary materials for new courses, streamlining the content creation process and reducing the time and effort required. Collecting and incorporating user feedback to improve course quality and relevance. Gathering feedback from your subscribers is vital for improving your course content and ensuring it remains relevant to their needs. Use ChatGPT to generate surveys, questionnaires, or feedback forms to collect insights from your audience. Then, analyze and incorporate this feedback to refine your content, making adjustments based on user suggestions and preferences. In conclusion, ChatGPT offers powerful capabilities that can help you streamline the process of updating, expanding, and enhancing your video membership course offerings. By leveraging this AI-driven tool, you can ensure your content remains fresh and engaging, fostering subscriber loyalty and attracting new learners. As you continue to grow and evolve your courses, remember to stay attuned to industry trends and developments, and be prepared to adapt your content to meet the changing needs of your audience.